namin yung nakaka-experience most of the time ng ganito since, we're still adolescents essentially or young adults na kami. So, andun na kami sa point ng buhay namin na parang kailangan na namin mag-isip ano bang magiging plano namin for the future. So, I'll break this down into 3 categories most probably. With the first one being, ano nga ba ang living life in the slow lane? So, to give you an idea, it's about taking things at your own pace. I mean, I know it's hard to do it na parang kunyari hindi mo masyadong kino-compare kung magkano na yung kinikita mo, ano nang na-achieve mo, anong countries na yung napuntahan mo, like just live it normally. For example, if you just work and then after work you sleep and then tomorrow again ganun na naman, well, wala naman actuallyng masama dun. It may be repetitive, yes, tas nakakatamad na siyang gawin everyday, but there's nothing wrong with it. You know? Ang importante is you still have, say, a dream na hindi pa rin mawawala aside dun sa everyday task na ginagawa mo. Kasi for example, kunyari ako, nagwo-work ako as a VA right now, and hindi ko naman dream na parang dapat is makapag-book ako ng meetings ganun na lang lagi, ganun. Or hindi ko dream na maging best employee. Syempre, ang dream ko pa rin is to reach 1 million in the bank before 25. That's still the dream. So, aside from, yung ganun na parang, okay, may goals ka throughout the week na kailangan mong gawin, para rin hindi ka mabagot, try to incorporate a little bit of something para, you get distracted in a sense. So, that's, an example of living life in the slow lane, doing things a little bit slower. Kasi,